Was you scared going self-employed? Yeah. See, for me, my self-employment story was slightly different to everybody else's. I didn't sit there in a 9-to-5 job daydreaming about the day that I would become self-employed. My first true one-on-one solo venture, I was kicked out of a web development company that I started. Investors came in, bought the thing, decided that a 19, 20-year-old couldn't run a business, and for whatever reason, I was let go. Before starting that web development company, I was very, very lucky that I was working in security, and I was doing night shifts before the internet existed during the middle of the night, and before mobile phones were smart. This one's, it was an old flip phone that did nothing. So I was very, very lucky that I could daydream then. But when it comes to being scared, of course you're going to be scared, because it's now all on you. You don't have your clock in at 9, clock out at 5, get paid for those hours that you worked, whether you worked or worked, right? And being self-employed, it's all on you. It's you that's making those bills. It's you that's selling to that client. It's you that's collecting that invoice. And it truly is you that gets the feast or the famine when it comes to being self-employed. But that fear doesn't need to put you off. That fear can be your fuel to push you forward. After being pushed out of that web development company, I knew that I needed to do something. I was very, very lucky in a way that it was just me. It was just me that I needed to feed. I didn't have kids at that time. I didn't have a partner at that time. I was 25, 26 years old, so I didn't really need much. But you don't realise that at the age of 25, 26. I was still panicking about paying rent. I was still panicking about debts and stuff like that. But I was able to focus my attention on what I needed. As long as you've got that excitement for what you want to do, as long as you know where you're going to, then that can be your North Star. And if you are lucky enough that you know that you want to go self-employed and you've got a little bit of runway where you can sit in that shitty 9-to-5 job for 3, 6, 12 months and build up your getaway plan, and maybe even do that side hustle thing where your side hustle becomes your real life job. So you go to work from 9 till 5, and then you come home, and from 5 till 9 at night or 5 till 10 at night, you really focus on what your next side hustle is going to be your next job. Then it's less scary, it's more exciting. If you need help on understanding what your first side hustle needs to be, or how to start your first business, there's videos here.